It's a beautiful day today. Walked out to the compost pile. It kind of has grown out of control and taken over. And I found this. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Probably coyotes, but I don't know. A person can learn about God and His Torah in everything in this world. Life and death right next to each other. He gives life. And He takes it away. Well, this is to show me that this right here, this should have been me. I should be strewing out my guts all over the yard, ripped to shreds by a coyote or a wild dog. Because I have to do teshuvah. I have to do tshuva. Just like every single one of us has to. Everyone. Everyone has to do tshuva. As if there wasn't something wrong in my life, then I wouldn't see this. If there wasn't something wrong in my acts, then I wouldn't see this. God wouldn't place it right before me in front of my eyes. I know the Gemara says, the sages say not to have any, not to pay any attention to dreams, but some dreams I kind of feel like I have to. I had a dream about Doug last night, and it doesn't matter what a person wants. They get what's good for them. If Doug helped, if you guys know who Doug is, whoever you are, and he helped you to see the truth, whatever portion of that might be, please pray for him to do teshuvah with a great deal of God's help and infinite mercy. It's great to have, a healthy body and mind, but it's all pretty worthless without a healthy soul. Without doing teshuvah. Hopefully you guys see the dead chickens in your life when they are placed before you. And hopefully you can grant us the wisdom and the strength to do teshuvah in each moment, and the sight to see our flaws